Hello everyone, welcome back to this tutorial using the Wet n Wild Comfort Zone palette. I decided to create this look. I did a little twist to it. I hope you guys enjoyed that. And this is going to be a voiceover. I'm just going to be showing you guys the eyes. I just wanted that to be the main focus, but I will have a no flash foundation routine from the drugstore soon for you guys. So once again, if you guys enjoy this video, if you're gonna see more of my videos, don't forget to like this video and click the subscribe button. And also, if you want to be notified every time I upload a video, just make sure to click on that bell notification. And as always, if you guys want to see this look, then just keep on watching.
So we're gonna go ahead and start off by using this Wet n Wild Comfort palette, and I'm taking this color as the transition shade. So I like to just first go in, focus that in the crease in windshield wiper motions, and then I go in circular motions and just blow it out. Does that make sense? So here I'm taking this darker color, which is like a reddish brown brick type of color. So focus that color just a little bit lower than that first transition shade, and once again I just go ahead and focus that in the crease in windshield wiper motion. And here I'm using the Morphe 433 brush, and then I'm going back with that fluffy Wet n Wild transition color and just making sure everything is blended. So here I just wanted to intensify that color a little bit more, so that's what I'm doing here, just going back, intensifying it. Just with this makeup look, you're just going to be going back and forth until you're content with the color. I wish I would have gone up a little bit more, because once we do cut the crease, you're going to get rid of most of that color, but I mean, it still worked out. So here I'm taking the Wet n Wild concealer applicator, and I'm just using that to cut the crease, and I'm just a little under the weather. And here I'm taking this translucent matte powder. This is the Rimmel translucent powder. Just any powder will do. You can even use an eyeshadow to set that. And here I'm taking this darker sparkly green color, and I'm just putting that in the outer V, so it's going to be like a gradient of colors. So I'm just packing that in there, just making sure everything is seamless and packed on to the intensity that I like. And I'm taking this blue brown color. I know MAC has a pigment that looks just like this, so this is definitely a dupe. And I'm just focusing that in the middle of the eyelids. And I went with this what's actually a Wet n Wild concealer brush, just to be a little bit more detailed and to be able to get closer to that line, that crease line. And I'm going back to that green color and just making sure we didn't lose any of that intensity when applying that second color. And I'm taking this like lime green color, and this is going to be in the inner corners, and we're just going to go ahead and do the same. Just make sure that that is all blended together with the second color. So I'll just go back and forth and go from the lime green to that blue brown color, and just make sure that they're all really blended in. And then I'm going to go ahead and take this NYX Vivid Brights liner in the color yellow, and I just wanted to just do a little something different. So this is what I'm doing here, and I'm also going to apply it as a liner. I definitely need to get some more of these colors, especially now for like the springtime and the summer. I really like using these for a pop of color. It's just a fun way to do that. So I left this in so that you guys can really see how I do it. And I'm taking this double up wispies and I'm applying that already. And I'm taking this lip liner in the color Tawny and I'm just lining my lips. And then here I'm taking the color, this is by Wet n Wild, I believe it's Mochalicious. I'll definitely leave it in the links down below. I noticed that they recently changed the packaging on these. And I'm taking this Wet n Wild highlight. This is also what I have on my face, and I'm just taking that to highlight the brow bone and to highlight the inner tear duct. And I'm taking both of the crease colors and I'm just packing that up in the lower lash line. And then I wanted to just intensify it a little bit more, so then I just go back with that crease color and just pack that on in the lower lash line. Which is what I'm doing here. I just felt like I just wanted to intensify that color a little bit more. And I'm just applying some mascara, and that's everything for today's video.
And this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this look and give it a try. And as always, if you guys ever try my looks, make sure to tag me, DM me, send them to me. Just however you can get them to me, just do it, because I would love to see you guys recreate my looks. And I really like it. I just put a little twist to it, but of course you don't need to add any of the yellow liner. Just add black liner or no liner at all, and I think the look will look really nice. And that's everything for today, and once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.